Welcome once again. This is an iPhone 13 with an issue. There were like three issues. The net, I think they took it to somewhere, and then they they tried to work with the change the back glass. And this is one thing that I wanted to be very careful of. While trying to change the back glass of this phone or this any iPhone, you need to be super careful. Now, the other technician tampered with the front speaker. Then it's not speaking anytime. They need to put it on speaker, I mean the loudspeaker, before they could hear what the person was saying. And also the touchlight was not working, and this phone has never been opened. The screen has never been opened. You can only see that they've changed the back glass, and they maybe the technician mistakenly cut off the the flashlight. So it was brought to us to be fixed, but I didn't have the flashlight, with me. So what I needed to do was just to help him fix the ear speaker, which was what I was doing. But then the most important thing, the reason why I'm doing this video is because of the screen. This is how to remove the screen without any issue. You need to be very, very careful. Even without other iPhone equipment, this is how to do it easily and perfectly. So I haven't loosed the down screw. Then I needed to start working. You can see I needed to make use of my blade, but this is how you're going to do it. Screen is very flat and tiny, so for any small issue you can see when I first on the phone, it was working normal. There's no issue with the screen, and customers will not hear stories. So this is the best way to do it. Make use of your chemical or fuel. Then you apply it gently at the back of that blade. Just put it little by little. Then you do it. You continue to do it gently, gently. Just scrub it around, scrub it around. Just give more space to it. You know. You can see. Then you lift it gently. Lift it gently, 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 gently. You shouldn't force it. Lift it gently. You can see. Try to lift it gently. It's a long video, but I need to just cut it short. Then you also gently lift that place. Don't forget this, the screen flexes to the left of the phone, so that is how you're going to open it. You can see I was able to open it gently without any issue. And after I did that, I needed to on the phone to be sure that there was no error on the screen. And mind you, the customer was right in front of me, so I'm by me, and he was looking at the process. So this is it. Fine, perfect. So the job was done without any issue. Glory to God. Yes, everything worked perfectly. So I need to put it off again, then start off with a job. It's a very long video, and this is just 3 to 4 minutes. So I opened down the phone, remove all the panel, remove everything to be sure that everything was intact. Then the face ID was working. I made sure that everything was working after I coupled the phone. Let's see. Just go on with me while we do this job. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video and comment. Welcome to Ultimate ICT Hub once again. Thank you.